Anthony "Tony Ducks" Corallo was a powerful figure in the American Mafia, known for his leadership and influence within the Lucchese crime family. As the underboss of the organization, Corallo played a significant role in shaping its operations and maintaining its territory. Let's delve into the life, achievements, and impact of this notorious Mafia figure. Born on February 12, 1913, in New York City, Anthony Corallo grew up in East Harlem. Like many individuals from his neighborhood, he became involved in organized crime at a young age. Corallo first caught the attention of the Lucchese family through his involvement in street-level operations and illegal gambling activities. Known for his intelligence and discipline, he quickly rose through the ranks. Corallo's ascendancy to power within the Lucchese family came in the early 1970s. After the imprisonment of boss Carmine Tramonti, Corallo became the underboss, serving directly under boss Gaetano "Tommy" Lucchese. Lucchese's declining health placed Corallo at the center of decision-making within the organization. Under Corallo's leadership, the Lucchese crime family became increasingly involved in illegal activities such as racketeering, gambling, loan sharking, and drug trafficking. He was particularly known for his excellent organizational skills and ability to maintain relationships with other mafia families, ensuring smooth collaborations and avoiding disputes. Corallo's influence extended beyond the Lucchese family. He was a key member of the Commission, a governing body comprising bosses from different mafia families. The Commission played a crucial role in settling disputes and making decisions on matters of mutual interest. However, Corallo's criminal empire faced a significant setback in the 1980s with the infamous Pizza Connection trial. Corallo, along with other mob figures, was charged in connection with a massive drug trafficking operation that used pizza parlors as fronts. In 1986, he was convicted and sentenced to 100 years in prison. Despite his incarceration, Corallo's legacy within the American Mafia lives on. He was highly respected among his peers and recognized for his organizational skills, ruthless tactics, and ability to maintain the family's strength. His leadership style set a standard within the Lucchese family and influenced subsequent leaders. Anthony Corallo, known as Tony Ducks, was a powerful figure in the Lucchese crime family and the American Mafia as a whole. As the underboss, he played a fundamental role in the organization's operations, expanding its criminal enterprises and maintaining the family's influence. While imprisoned, Corallo's legacy of leadership and influence continues to shape the American Mafia's history.